Hello, my name is Jim. I had a quick project here I wanted to show you today. I have a bandsaw. It's a 20-inch Northfield bandsaw, and it needs new tires on the bandsaw wheels. So these are the wheels of the bandsaw. This is the old tire. It was looking kind of tired, was causing me some issues. So I want to take that off and replace it with this new tire. So the tire gives some cushion to the blade, lets the teeth not get dented by the wheel itself, and kind of grips it and helps everything work better. But they wear out after a while, so you have to replace them. So this is the tire that was on there. This tire was attached with some adhesive on here, so that was a bit of a pain to get it off. I found the best way after prying the tire off itself was to pour some acetone onto the adhesive, cover it with a paper towel, cover that with plastic wrap, and let that sit for 20 minutes or so. You have to be a little careful. If you let it sit too long, the acetone would all evaporate. If you didn't let it sit long enough, then the adhesive was still nice and sticky. Once it was at that nice Goldilocks stage, you could really scrape off the adhesive very easily. So I did that. I got this rim all cleaned up, and now I'm ready to install this new tire here. So these tires don't need adhesive. They just get stretched on. As you can see, they're quite a bit smaller than the wheel itself, so there's a lot of stretch that needs to happen, and they're pretty stiff. The instructions on the package actually say that you should warm this up in 120 degree water for 5 or 10 minutes to get it nice and pliable. I found that didn't make a big difference, and by the time I got it out, got everything set up, and put it on here, particularly this is actually a magnesium wheel, it conducts the heat very quickly, wasn't worth making the mess of the water getting it everywhere and stuff. So it's pretty easy to do, but it does take a little bit of muscle. So what I do, put the wheel on the side here, take some spring clamps, put them over the top of it. Now you don't want to actually be squeezing on the tire itself, because if you squeeze on the tire itself, it won't allow it to stretch. So then come around to the other side, put another one here, another one on this side, and I'll probably do one more over here. Okay, so that's about as many as I can fit on there. It's loose on the wheel still, so when I pull on it can stretch, and now you just have to stretch it on. So it takes some muscle and some doing. It's really not that bad. Takes another minute or two to get this all evened out. You can just take the clamps off. There you go. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.